Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Morant Bay, St. Thomas, and this is the Morant Bay Courthouse, very popular, a very famous building in Jamaica. But as you can see, it has been destroyed, and it has been destroyed from 2007. A fire destroyed it. So I need to ask you guys a question. Should they restore this building or should they demolish it? This is the Morant Bay Courthouse. Because I know a few people think I'm against historic sites, but I'm not against historic sites. I'm just against holding on to a building that has no. Well, let's put it this way. This is what I would consider a historic site. This building needs to be restored and kept because it is in every history book in Jamaica. And this building was the start of the Morant Bay Rebellion. So this is what you call a historic site, and every expense should be spent to restore this building. Now they have plans in the works to make it into a museum. Restore the building and make it into a museum. So that would be great. This is what you call a historic site. Now, I think what confused some people is when we do videos of, like, for example, downtown Kingston, you have some old buildings that 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 I think we had mentioned once that they should be demolished, and a few people commented that they're historic sites. And but if you don't have plans for a building, it has no roof, it has no windows, and it's not okay. Let's take, for example, the railway stations. Most of them are historic sites because they were built hundreds of years ago. But they have no use in a modern Jamaica. Those buildings should be demolished and proper buildings, modern buildings put up. That's what I think confuse a lot of people. But I'm not against historic sites, but a building with no roof, no windows shouldn't be kept there just because it's a quote unquote historic site or a heritage site. But a site like this one, every expense should be spent to restore it. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.